Longest serving president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Fastest missile in the world? BrahMos. Give an example of renewable energy. Solar energy. Electric charge is measured in Coulomb. Who is father of badminton? George Allen Thomas. What is compiler? That converts source code into machine code. Example of open source operating system. Linux. One example of computer virus. CryptoLocker. Which team won the maximum number of IPL? Mumbai and Chennai 5 times each. Which kind of protein cashew nut have? Plant-based protein. Who made Curzon Gate? King of Bardhaman. Who invented calculator? William Shepard. Largest volcano in the world? Mauna Loa in Hawaii. Study of coin means numismatics. What is the rank of India in World Hunger Index? 105. What is the rank of India in World Innovation Index? 39. What is the scientific name of cat? Felis catus. What is the scientific name of rohu fish? Labiorhita. The home of dog is called kennel. Scientific study of dog is called cynology.